Hi, first grade. Today we will identify three-dimensional shapes and two-dimensional shapes. How will we do this? We will complete assessment 13 over 2D and 3D shapes. Why? Because it's important to show what we have learned. Let's review our vocabulary. Two-dimensional, say two-dimensional. A flat plane figure or shapes that do not have any thickness and can be measured only in two faces. Vertices, say vertices. Vertices are the corners where the sides meet. Sides, say sides. Sides are the lines around the shapes. Circle, say circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. Triangle, say triangle. A triangle has three sides and three vertices. Square, say square. A square has four equal length sides, four vertices, and is a special rectangle. Rectangle, say rectangle. It has four sides, four vertices, and the opposite sides are equal in length. Hexagon, say hexagon. It is a flat-sided figure with 6 straight sides and 6 vertices. Rhombus, say rhombus. It is a flat shape with 4 equal straight sides, and it kind of looks like a diamond. Attributes, say attributes. Attributes are a quality, feature, trait, or characteristic of someone or something. 3D solids, say 3D solids. 3D solids are shapes that are not flat. Face, say face. A face is a flat surface of a solid object. Edge, say edge. An edge is a line segment where two faces meet. Here's the faces, there's the edge right in the middle. Vertices, say vertices. Vertices are the points where the edges meet. Sphere, say sphere. A sphere is a round, solid figure. Cube, say cube. A cube is a shape with 6 square faces. Rectangular. Prism, say rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is a solid shape with 2 square faces and 4 rectangular faces. Cone, say cone. A cone is a solid figure with 1 circular face. It has 1 point and a curved surface. Cylinder, say cylinder. A cylinder is a curved solid figure with 2 circular faces. Triangular prism, say triangular prism. It is a 3-sided solid with 5 faces. 2 are triangular and 3 are rectangular. Okay, now for the big moment. You're going to click on the link for Unit 13 Common Assessment. You're going to need to listen to the questions, listen to the answer choices, and do your best. Got it? Okay. Do your best. Take your time. Easy peasy. You got this. Have a great day.